Morning na morning. Anong oras yung...
Wait, ang init eh. It's so
Grabe.
hot.
Ito yung breakfast nila. Breakfast ng ano, umaga,
Wala
breakfast.
silang breakfast eh.
Wala kasi silang breakfast ng ano. Nandito kami ng alas
Sa
8:30.
seafood may breakfast na? Ay, wala din.
I'm not
Wala.
sure.
O sa Skokie lang meron.
I'm not sure.
I think
I think
Skokie lang
Skokie. I
meron.
think Skokie they do have.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Breakfast na breakfast nila yung ano, yung
Hindi pa natin na-try
Wala.
ang breakfast.
chicken, yan. Breakfast.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast ng ano, alas 9. Grabe, no? I think I'm going to get this one right there. It's mango. I'm going to get that one. So,
Wait, hindi ba kasama sa milyon?
ang quits mango? Ano?
Dati kasama, yun eh.
Really?
They took it out.
Yeah.